Hello. Hey, everybody. It's your girl Eve back again with another invite. Hi, guys. I am coming to you guys today to let you know about a paint and sip from home. So, I'm calling out all of my mothers with little time, all the friend groups who are trying to do something to bond together, all my fellas digging into their creative outlets. This is also great for couples, so if you guys are a couple and wanting to create, or even just people wanting to do something fun from home, this is for you. Hope I called everyone out. With that being said, if you've been looking for something to do on the weekends that's not like going out and partying, but actually just chilling at home and still being productive, this might be something you would be interested in. We are doing, as I said before, paint and sips from home, and we're going to be working on this piece right here called Red Bottoms. This is a bold and sassy and a really fun piece to do. It is very simple, so if you are new to this, do not worry. I am going to be walking you through each of the steps here, so it's going to be a lot of fun doing this with you guys. Now, if you have a few masterpieces hanging along under your belt, don't worry, because this will add to some of that creative masterpieces on your wall. Thank you guys for coming along with us for this journey, and you are totally welcome for me putting this out for you, because you're gonna have a great time. Now, we do meet once a month on Saturdays. It is at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Hawaii time. That's my time. So wherever you are, you can grab a drink, get comfy, and paint along with me live on Zoom. Now, the class runs about 2 hours, and we do have like those mini breaks for you to take your drinks and stuff, but we do also have a 15-minute break in the middle of the class, so you can chill, chat, refill your drinks, go to the bathroom, whatever you gotta do, just vibe together. Then we come back in and finish the rest of the class. Now, I do post a full list of supplies that you'll need on the event page, plus a few places that you can order them from online. Everything is super simple and budget friendly. I want this to be something that anyone can jump into. Now, the ticket price just helps me to cover my supplies, keep this creative thing going. It's really about sharing the joy of painting with all of you, so I don't actually want it to be super expensive. I want you to be able to join at any time and really just have some fun. If you are creative, trust me when I say half of these supplies you'll already have at home, so no need to stress. Now, yes, please do bring your favorite drink or your favorite smoke, whatever is your vibe. But if you rather make it a family moment, no problem. I can set it up to be more PG friendly version, so I just won't mention, drinking and smoking. But this is all about giving yourself a little break from the world. It is a mini retreat, a mini creative retreat from your home. So if you're ready to try something new, meet some awesome people, and create something beautiful, then join me. Once you grab your ticket, I'll send you a Zoom link and all the details. And if you want to see more of my work or past classes, check out my YouTube channel at Eve's Imagery. Also, let me know if you have any questions about the event itself. Just comment under this video. Please do subscribe, because it does help to boost my video to other people. Liking and subscribing helps a lot. All right, that's all the information I have for you. I hope to see you at the next paint and sip. Let's make something amazing together. Cheers.